Hey guys, Leanne here on Grady's Mom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed for lunches for my husband and for myself. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of lunch videos and lunch content in the description box below. So for lunch on Monday, we are having some leftovers from a barbecue we had Saturday evening to celebrate my mom's birthday. So I'm giving Matt a pasta salad and myself a pasta salad. And then we did a bunch of skewers, chicken and veggies marinated, and I just took them off the skewer and gave us the leftovers. I'm also taking a skinny pop. So yeah guys, this is our lunch today on Monday, and I'll be back on Tuesday to share with you what we are having for lunch then. Hey guys, it's Tuesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him a kiwi strawberry Snapple, a vanilla Coke, and then a sandwich here I made on one of these Mastriani Brother Italian rolls. These are sort of local to me, and everybody loves this brand here. They make all kinds of different rolls and breads, but it's like an Italian roll. And then I've got some hard salami, some romaine Swiss cheese, and spicy mustard on here. A couple dill pickle spears, some grapes that I just rinsed off with cold water to make sure they were clean, and then some Little Debbie mini muffins in the chocolate chip flavor. I'm actually going to have lunch later. I have about an hour and a half break between my two jobs today, so I'm going to come home and eat lunch because I'm going to have a taco salad. But yeah, I'll show you guys that later today. Hey guys, it is Tuesday afternoon. I'm home between jobs. I had about 90 minutes between leaving one job. I actually did a couple quick errands, came home, and I'm having a taco salad. I actually made taco salads last night for dinner and then made just some extra meat and prepped all my veggies. So I actually have a taco salad today, taco meat, a bed of romaine, and I put some fresh corn. I actually had corn on the cob and I just cut the corn right up the cob. It's fresh and not cooked, and I really like it that way. Some tomatoes, cucumbers, some carrot, and then for the dressing I used the just regular taco sauce. And I've got just a few chips because I like to scoop up some of the meat onto it. I'm having a water, and then after I eat I've got to go back to work. But we're going to have these again tomorrow because I had enough for 3 total. So I'll see you guys tomorrow with our lunches. Good morning guys, it's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to get everything packed up to get us all out the door. These are the last of the taco salads that I had left. So Matt eats his taco salads with the meat cold and he's perfectly okay with that. I prefer my meat to be heated up, so I left my meat separate when I portioned it out. So I just have it in this little container here. I packed it in tight. So even though it doesn't look like much, it's almost as much as this. This is just spread out a little bit more. So for the dressing, I use the just regular taco sauce. Any brand will do. This is just a store brand. So I've got the taco sauce, a little sour cream packet for Matt. This is just left over from a Home Chef box. I don't think you can buy these individually anywhere. At least I've never seen them. And then again, the same salad that I showed you guys yesterday for my lunch when I was home on break. So that's Matt's. He does have a little bit more meat than me, and his salad has some shredded cheese, and mine doesn't because I don't like cold cheese. He's having a Pringle cup and a chewy dipped chocolate granola bar, a strawberry Gatorade, a Dr. Thunder, and of course his water cooler. So that's his lunch. And then my lunch, I'll be going pretty much back-to-back jobs. So I get done with a home staging organization job with my friend Jen probably around 11:30, and then I pretty much have to head right to my other job. So I'm probably going to end up eating most of this in the car, to be honest. So I don't know how I'm going to heat this up. I'll figure it out. Or if I just have to heat it up at work when I first get there or get to work early. I'm still figuring all this out, but I'm bringing my Yeti cup with some ice water, a clear American in the wild cherry. These I wanted to show you guys. I've been getting these at Walmart. I discovered them on box.com when I got that freebie of the Parmesan stars, which are excellent. My Walmart is always out of stock on them. But I have tried the white cheddar ones, which are great. And these are the mixed berry yogurt crisps, and they're really good. They're kind of tangy. They are a different shape than the white cheddar and the Parmesan ones. But I thought I would just grab this. Matt and I ate like half this bag over the weekend. But anyways, salad, taco sauce, my meat, which I have to figure out how I'm going to heat that up. And I have some tortilla chips that I can break up and crumble up in here. fork, of course. Again, I'm taking these as a little snack. And this is our lunch scenario for today on Wednesday. I'll see you guys tomorrow on Thursday. Morning, guys. I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm giving him one of these fruit punch coconut water little pouches, a strawberry Gatorade, a sandwich here. I actually used leftover sausage and peppers from dinner last night. I just put it on one of those Mastriani Brothers rolls with some cheese, and it's hard to see because it's in the container, but there is sausage and multicolored peppers and cheese on this roll. I did give him some of the Blue Diamond Bold Habanero Barbecue almonds. I'm going to take some as well, and then some Oreo minis and a little Welch's strawberry like fruit roll thing. It's sort of like a fruit by the foot, but just tastes a lot better to me. So yeah, this is his lunch today, and I'll see you guys later to show you what I'm having. Hey guys, on Thursday for lunch, it's Thursday morning right now. I leave about an hour and a half after Matt does. He leaves for work at around 6:30, and I leave to bring Grady to school and go to work around 8-ish. So I'm packing, getting ready to put everything in my little lunch cooler. I'm taking a wild cherry clear American, one of these mango tangerine coconut water drinks. I've got my coffee already. This is cup number 2. I get up about 5 to start, you know, laundry, packing Matt's lunch, get everybody rolling. And this is my second cup of coffee. I try to wait as long as I can till 8 o'clock to make it, but I just couldn't wait this morning. So second fresh cup of coffee. I've got a salad here with some of the Purdue. These are the real like chicken patties. They're like the fresh ones, not frozen. So I baked a couple off last night because my son wanted to have a little bit of it, and I just used what was left and cut it up into little pieces. It's just breaded white meat, beta romaine, tomatoes, Greek olives, black olives, cucumber, carrot, and I have my dressing here. The dressing I'm using today is the Panera at Home balsamic vinaigrette, and it's really good, very tangy. So I have that separately because this container is too tall to fit in here. I'm also taking some almonds. They are the habanero barbecue. We've been loving these. And I'm also taking some of these Imagine brand white cheddar cheese stars. I got these at Walmart and I really love them. I also love the Parmesan ones. So yeah, guys, this is what I'm taking today. Bringing Grady to school, going to job number 1. I'll have everything here on ice with an ice pack in my little cooler. And after job number 1, straight to job number 2 today. So this is what it is today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on Friday. Good morning, guys. It's Friday. We made it to the end of the work week. Week number 2 at my job's out in the books, and it's been going really good. It's just I have to really juggle every minute of the day to make everything happen. So today on Fridays I'm off. So I work Monday through Thursday outside the home, 2 different jobs. If you're curious, because I've gotten a lot of questions, like I mentioned, it's going great. Between the 2 jobs, I usually work, for the past couple weeks at least, about 36 to 38 hours outside the home, and then I still have to juggle my YouTube stuff now, obviously at night and on the weekends. And Fridays, since I have off, I've been catching up a lot on Fridays. So today, I wanted to share with you guys what I'm having for lunch and what I'm packing Matt since he's off to work shortly. I have a kiwi strawberry Snapple for him, an orange crush, of course, as always, his water cooler. I made some salads for us, and they're essentially the same salad, except mine has mushrooms, and I'll eat mine home, and he'll eat his at work. These little crunchy things on top are actually little crunchy fried onions, like the kind you use in green bean casserole. They are from Trader Joe's, but I do like the French's brand as well. But it's just a beta romaine with all different veggies. We've got cucumbers, peppers, olives, carrot, the little crunchy French's fried onions. And again, mine is the same, but it just has some baby Bella mushrooms on it. And then we're both having the Panera at Home balsamic vinegar dressing. It's really good. So mine will be set to eat it later. And I'm giving Matt a Golden Grams little granola bar treat thing, and then a cheese stick. I believe this is a mozzarella stick. And then I did make some quiche last night for dinner. We actually had quiche and salad. We did a no meat night, and I planned it perfect because I wanted to have quiche left for us to have for work lunch. So Matt, I think I've mentioned, is working at a location where he has access to like a microwave and an oven and a fridge. So he is bringing a slice of quiche. Again, it's a veggie and cheese quiche. and I have one ready for me later just to heat up when I'm gonna eat my salad. So yeah, guys, this was our lunch on Friday. You guys seem to like the last lunch video that I did showing both of our lunches, so for now I'll continue to do that, and hopefully you guys continue to enjoy them. So I hope you guys enjoyed the lunches for the entire week. Have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.